Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the count function in Excel. So it's a very basic function in Excel. The basic use of count function is that it will count the number of cells in a range. Those are having the numbers. Okay, so it will count the simple number of cells in which the numbers are entered. Okay, so we have the student data is given over here. A simple attendance sheet or the mark sheet is given over here. So some students names are there, their respective three subjects marks are given, and this if the students is absent in a particular subject, then AB is mentioned in front of his name. Okay, so the we want to count the number of students present in a particular subject exam. Okay, so the formula for the count function is count in bracket range. So first you want to write the count function, count, count, and then you have to enter the range, means the cell reference for which you want to apply the count formula or count function. Okay, so it counts the number of cells in a range, those are having numbers. So it will directly count the number of cells, those are having the numbers. So here AB is given for the absenteeism of a student. If a particular student is absent in a particular subject, so it won't be count here. Okay, so let's go, we are going to apply the formula over here. So we want to find out how many students are present in for the English subject exam. So we are going to typing the formula here. Our formula starts with is equal to sign, is equal to count, then into the bracket we want to select the range. So our range starts from E11 to E15. Okay, so we have mentioned the range, then bracket close, and we are going to press enter. So here we can see the four students were present for the English subject exam. Okay, it's given over here, and you can count as well. If the huge amount of data is also given, you can apply the same function and you will get the correct answer. Okay, similarly we are going to apply the count function for the math subject. Is equal to count, then bracket open, again we are going to select the range, bracket close, and let's see how many students were present. There were three students were present in math subject exam. Okay, so same you can drag over here also, and you will get the same answer for the science subject as well. So four students were present in the science subject exam. You can count over here as well. Okay, so this is the simple formula of count function in Excel. You can apply in your uh, required data as well. I hope you will understand it. Please like this video and share this video, and please do subscribe my channel as well. Thank you so much.